Hello, at the end of this video I'm going to be giving away the $15 we are going to be using in this tutorial to one of my lucky subscribers. So to win this $15, all you have to do is to go down to the comment section, like this video, and then comment the country you're watching this video from. So in this video I'm going to be talking about Binance Futures, a platform on the Binance app where you can use leverage to trade and make profit. And with $10 you can be making profits of $60 every single day. It's very possible. So in this video I'm going to be explaining it to you. So all you have to do is to create an account on Binance using the link in the description, and after you signed up, you head over to your Binance app, and then you tap on, you can see on the Binance app, you can see the home, the markets, trades and futures. So we tap on the futures. So when you head over to the futures platform, what we need to do first of all is to fund our futures wallet. As you can see that our available balance is 0.00 USDT, and we're going to be funding it with $15, which I'll be giving out to one of my lucky subscribers. So to fund it, you're going to tap on the yellow arrow right there we saw earlier. We're going to tap on the yellow arrow here, and then we'll tap on it to transfer our assets from our spot to our USD futures. So in this video I'm going to be using the $15 that I'll be giving out. So I'll confirm transfer, and then we funded our wallet with $15. So basically futures is all about using leverage, and with leverage you make profit. So this is what leverage is. Over here you can see the 10x leverage, you can see use the 25x, you can use the 50x leverage. So when using the 50x leverage, when the market price goes up 1%, you'll be getting 50. When using the 50x leverage, when the market price goes up 1%, you'll be making 50% profit, because you're using the 50x leverage. You're using the 50x leverage, and the higher the leverage, the higher the leverage you use, the closer your liquidation, which I'll be explaining more as we dive into this video. So the best leverage I feel it's okay to use, I comfortably use the 20x leverage. So we'll set this at 20x. We'll set this at the 20x leverage, which is what I'm going to be using. And in this video I'm going to be entering first of all, on our screen we can see the buy and the sell. So basically when you buy, another term which is long, you make profit as the price of the market goes up. So when you enter a sell, which is short, you make profit as the market price goes down. And in this video I will make profit as the market price goes up. So with that, let us enter a trade. So we have two types of margin on the futures platform. We have the cross and the isolated. So the cross makes use of everything on your wallet. So when we enter this trade with the $15, if we get liquidated, I'm going to lose the whole $15 used in this video. So if you use the isolated and I enter a trade with $10 and I still have $5 on my available balance, if I get liquidated, I'm only going to lose the $10 I used in entering this trade. So let us enter a buy, which is a long, which means I will make profit as the market goes up. So I'm going to be using the whole $15 I have, and then I'm going to enter a long position. And then we see we're already at loss, and below we can see our entry price. We entered this position at $20,869, and then the market current price was at $20,869 So remember, when you long, you make profits as the market goes up, which is buy. You can call it buy or long. And then when you sell, you make profit as the market price goes down. And we can see we're already making $0.18. You can see that we're already on profit on this trade. So when it comes to trading futures, another thing I have to tell you is do not trade futures blindly. Make sure you have your backings. Do not trade futures because of your emotions, or because of you feel the market will go up or the market will come down. Make sure you do some technical analysis before entering any position. So with that, we can see that we're already on profit. And another thing I'll tell you, when you're trading futures, do not use high leverage. The higher the leverage you use, the more profit you make, and the closer your liquidation price would be. And as you can see below, this is my liquidation price, which is $19,885, meaning once the price of Bitcoin goes down from $20,869, which is my entry price, and it goes down to $19,885, I'm going to be losing the whole money I have, and my margin is $14.61, meaning I'm going to be losing the whole money my $14.61 and also my $0.52 because I'm using the cross margin that makes use of everything on my wallet. And remember, this $15 you are using in this particular tutorial is what I'll be giving out to one of my lucky subscribers. So all you have to do is remember, you just go down to the comment section, like this video and comment the country you're watching from. So let's see how this video goes. Another thing I would like to talk about is stop loss and take profit. When trading the Binance Futures, always make use of your stop loss and take profit. And to set your stop loss and your take profit, you tap on the stop profit and loss right here. You can see the stop profit and loss right here to set your stop loss and take profit. So you tap on the position, take profit / stop loss, and then the first one we can see here is take profit. So let's want to set the price of our take profit, and I would like to be making like $2 from this trade. So let's set it to 21,200. Okay, we can see that I'll be making. So once the price of Bitcoin goes up to 21,200, I'll be making profit of $4.63, right? And then to set my stop loss in this trade, I just want to risk $1, so I don't want to lose more than $1. So let's set my stop loss to like $1 or 1.30 something or something $, which is the amount I want to risk on this trade. So to set that, let us type in 20,000. Let's see 500. I'll be losing a lot of money. Let's see 700. Really, wow. So we can go for this. So when the market price goes down to 20,780, I would be losing $1.24 by then, and I want the position to close. So meaning I've lost only $1.24. The disadvantage of not using take profit and the disadvantage of not using your take profit and stop loss is sometimes the market will go against you and you might not always be with your phone at that particular time. So it's always good you have your stop loss set, even if you don't set your take profit. Like most times when I trade, I don't set my take profit, I only set my stop loss, because sometimes you might come and then you've made profit of $50 and then you already set your take profit to like $10. So most times I don't set my take profit, I only set my stop loss. So I'm going to leave this trade ongoing. So let's see how much we'll be able to make from this trade. So guys, as you can see, we are almost closing at a $1 profit, guys. This is mind blowing. So let's watch and see as it goes. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. So guys, I think I would have to close this trade at this pace. So as we can see, we've already made to close the position, you just tap on this here to close the trade, and then let's see how much profit we made. So we were able to make 0.45 USDT, and I will still be giving out these $15 used in this video tutorial, because basically I deposited this money into this Binance account for this tutorial and to give out to one of my subscribers, to give away this $15 to one of my subscribers. So to win this, all you have to do is to like and subscribe and go down to the comment section and comment the country you're watching this video from. Thank you, and nice having you on my channel.